This guide will help you understand how to unlock audio desync issues in Roblox for a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. A poor connection can lead to audio desync issues. You can test your speed using an online speed test tool. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements. To update, simply restart the Roblox application and it should automatically download the latest version. Step 3. Adjust audio settings. Go to the audio settings within Roblox. Lower the volume levels or toggle the audio settings to see if it resolves the desync issue. Sometimes, adjusting these settings can help sync the audio better with the gameplay. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help resolve many issues, including audio problems. Go to your device settings, find the Roblox app, and clear its cache. Restart the app afterward to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the problem continues, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This process can fix corrupted files that might be causing audio desync. After reinstalling, launch the game and check if the audio is now in sync. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Roblox. Enjoy your gaming experience.